Changing security settings on PhonePe is essential for ensuring your financial transactions are safe and secure. Follow these simple steps to adjust your security preferences. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon or the three horizontal lines in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu, then select Settings from the list. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view the available security settings that you can modify. Step 4. Adjust Security Preferences. Within the security settings, you can change various options such as setting up a PIN, enabling biometric authentication, or adjusting transaction limits. Choose the options that best suit your security needs. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired adjustments, ensure you save the changes by tapping on the Save or Done button. This will apply to your new security settings. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and enhance the security of your PhonePe account. Regularly reviewing these settings is a good practice to keep your financial information safe.